Want to show your location on your X profile so people know where you're based? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to add it in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the X app on your device and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your profile icon in the top corner to open the menu. From there, tap on your profile name to go to your profile page. On your profile, tap the Edit Profile button. This will open a page where you can update different details like your name, bio, and more. Scroll down until you see the location field. Tap on it. Then enter the city, country, or any place you want to display on your profile. You can keep it simple or make it more specific depending on what you prefer. After typing your location, quickly review your profile details to make sure everything looks right. Then tap Save in the top corner to apply the changes. Your location will now appear on your profile just below your bio, making your account feel more complete and personalized. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.